January, February, March. Oh dear. That one we haven't seen in a long time. This one has been totally forgotten. Oh! March baby. Let's go, let's go. Whoa. Rupas lähentelee. Stay on your own side. I got wife. Nice. Terve! Welcome back to Kepperi's garage. It's been a short while since I've been done anything with the Suzuki. Now I have today off from work and I'm stoked to get back with Suzuki, and today I'm trying to finish the electricity stuff, so I will put the battery box full of all kind of wires and stuff, and let me show you where we left last time. So there we are with the battery box. I have painted it black and that's basically now ready for all the stuff to go in. Now that I remember, I need to take care of the frame underneath the box before tightening everything in. So this needs to be painted again, and I might do that actually today. It's a warm day, so actually I need to take care of the rear fender too. It needs to be cut and painted and smoothened up, so why wouldn't I do it same time with the other stuff, because it needs to dry out. It takes some time, so might be a good idea to do it now. So we should first decide from where it needs to be cut. So I'm planning to make a smooth line right where the box bottom goes, so it's not visible from the side. So that needs to go too. Yep. I was thinking about the bullet rear light here, but after this long planning period I have started not to like that idea because of the size of the bullet lamp. It will be pretty big here, and I guess it doesn't fit that much with other parts, although the headlight is same style, but I guess it's too rear heavy in the complete picture. So I will go with one of these ones. So these are like rear light, brake light, blinkers combined. I will somehow integrate this into the seat pan. I have never worked with the fiberglass before, so it might turn out to be a disaster. And this is probably too much for first timer, but you never know until you try. Alright, let's get grinding. I might first cut the whole thing straight and then cut the corners out from there. Is cut. There is obviously a couple of sharp thingies there, but I will first try it on, and if it's almost perfect like I try it to be, then I will grind this once more with the grinder and put some putty on the top of this. This side I'm not so cared of. I need to take care of course, those cut lines and stuff like that. I might even go with the sandblaster. Yeah. Yep, so here we have the rear fender grinded smooth. It's good that I didn't make more holes for the rear lights since we are using the LED stripe now, and I will clean this up and shoot some primer on it, and let's see how it looks then. Alright, let's clean up the fender. Alright, we probably already know that the prepping is the most important part of the paint job. I know that I've been showing the painting every now and then, but this is a little bit different, so I will show this also. I will now repair this paint here because it's scratched. I left the tape there for like 2 weeks, and the glue did some sort of reaction with just painted paint surface, and it did rip off the paint from the frame. So that's the main reason I'm doing this again, and I will use the same tape now, but I will take it off after the paint. So yeah, I use these useful manuals for this useful particular task. So I will cover the parts of the bike I don't want to be painting. Oh, now I understand why it's called masking tape. Ta-da! Masking tape madness. There's one place now without the cover. I will cover also this place. Will be covered and blue. I am sorry about singing. That's my habit too. So let's start painting then. I did clean up this already with some thinner and make sure that it's clean so the paint will stick. I'm using the VHT chassis and roller bar and everything. It's the same paint I used with the frame, so I guess it should work. Then let's go heavier. Poista maski, poista maski. And I don't know what's that in English. If you have that masked singer there in Finland, they say poista maski, poista maski, which means remove the mask, remove the mask, remove the mask. This is not that surprising reveal because we already know that it's just Suzuki under there. I have this kind of universal putty. I'm not sure if you're supposed to like put this on the primer. It might not be a good idea, but let's try. It's just a rear fender. You can always do it again. I don't really need that much of it. I have to admit that this is my second time doing this. Little bit too much, I know. Let's by the way hope that this won't go through the cardboard I put under this. I'm supposed to have my gloves on. Better never now than never. Alright, let's start with the big one. I guess it's the easiest one. Like so. You're ready. Yeah, let's go with that. Then we had the couple of scratches up there. Alright, done. So the fender is treated with putty, and I think that first I will try to sand it by hand. This is 180 grit sanding paper, which is meant to be used on the machine, so I will switch to the machine if this is super hard on here. So let's first see how it goes. It's fairly sandable. And of course I ran out of the primer. So I need to go with this another primer, which is Super Prime Dark Grey. It says that it can be used on fully cured paint, polyester body fillers and FRP. I have no idea of the last one, but I guess it's something we have here.
Alright. Oh. What's this madness? Just a little bit old paint. It shoots out this percolate there.
Alright, here's the rear fender after 2 coats of black. I thought that I will give this a small wet sanding now and see if I can get super smooth finish. It's pretty smooth already because I've been doing the wet sanding before new coats of primer and stuff like that. So let's see how smooth I can get it. So the fender is now ready from painting. It came out pretty nice. Probably will be better to review this whenever I can get this outside. But let's hook in the fender, and I was thinking that I will use some sort of rubber below these to not like scratch the thing, and also to remove some of the vibration it's causing. Let's see. Not sure if this is a good idea, but we know it in few minutes. So I will use these kinds of things. I will put them between the fender and the frame. Last one. Last of the Mohicans. This is actually the most rewarding part. You start having these pieces coming together and it actually starts to look pretty good already. These rubbers looks like they are meant to be used here. So I guess I'm having good idea here. And whenever you're not sure whether to use rubber or not, just use the rubber. Pun intended. That's there now, hey. Looking pretty awesome and not vibrating in any ways. That is nearly perfect.